All here. Every last bill.
Good. Let's make it clean.
Coin secured.
Load them up. Block closes in 10.
This is not just a factory. This is a financial fortress. Behind these walls, digital power is created, protected, and controlled every second without pause.
Every person who enters this facility is verified, scanned, and recorded. No identity is unknown. No movement goes untracked. Security here is not a feature. It is the foundation.
This is the core of the operation. Here, raw computational power is converted into digital value. Every calculation, every second, pushes the system
While machines
forward.
secure the network, decisions are made here. Markets move, numbers shift, and every trade reshapes the balance of digital wealth.
This is where value becomes visible. Every number on these screens represents movement, risk, and reward. Billions shift here, silently, instantly, without hesitation.
Here, intelligence meets calculation. Patterns are predicted. Volatility is measured. In this room, the future of the market is not guessed, it is analyzed.
Security is tested not in silence, but under pressure. Every system responds. Every protocol activates. Control is never lost.
This is not a storage room. This is the final layer of trust. What's protected here cannot be touched, only secured.
This operation does not belong to one city or one nation. What happens here moves across the world. Borders fade, networks connect, influence expands.
Technology executes, but decisions remain human. Every choice carries weight, and in moments like this, precision defines outcome.
Threats are constant. Attacks are expected. What matters is response. And here, response is immediate.
Visibility is total. Nothing is hidden. Control is maintained through awareness at every level, every screen, every metric, every movement. Someone is always watching.
Nothing moves without power. Every calculation, every transaction begins here. Energy is the unseen force behind digital dominance.
Day and night are irrelevant here. The system does not rest. While the world sleeps, the network stays awake.
Growth is never accidental. When systems align, value accelerates. This is momentum. Measured, controlled, undeniable.
True power is not chaos. It is control. And control, once achieved, speaks for itself.
Influence is not loud. It is systematic. And when networks align, reach becomes global.
At the highest level, strategy replaces reaction. Every move is planned. Every outcome anticipated.
Business data is the bloodstream of this system. Every transaction travels through controlled channels. Speed matters, but precision matters more.
Scanner. Trust is never assumed. Identity is verified. Access is earned. Every time.
Awareness is control. When every movement is visible, uncertainty disappears. Nothing here goes unseen.
Stability depends on what remains unseen. Cooling, balance, precision. These systems keep the engine alive.
This is more than a symbol. It is power, precision, and control made visible. The heart of the digital empire stands before you.
From one facility, influence stretches across the globe. Precision, security, and intelligence, all converging here. This is control at its highest level.
True power is measured in calm. After action comes stability. Control is maintained seamlessly.
This is more than a factory. It is a system, an empire, a network, unstoppable, precise, and enduring. Here, control is not achieved, it is maintained.
Symbols are fleeting. Power endures. Control remains. Long after the light fades.